This is literally how it looks right now. You can't see nothing. We're about to pick up Christian. He woke up surprisingly. Hurry up, bruh. We were waiting for you. How long do you brush your teeth for?
I got a fart.
Let it rip, let it rip.
This car?
Yeah, let it rip. So there's some stairs right here and it's leading us to a path. We don't know what's going on over there. I feel like someone's sleeping over there. We're gonna go check it out. You wanna go first?
Let's go. If somebody comes out, how are we supposed to run?
Damn, this view is amazing. We're gonna do an echo test. Ready, set, go. Hopefully we see a leprechaun or a witch, right?
I know, right? That'd be lit.
How does the world look up there? Pretty good?
Agreed. It's good.
Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Christian, why you look zoned out?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Did you guys see that? No, bro, what is that? Dead ass. Alright, so we're deciding to go over here. Be careful, bro. Yeah. That's what you get. We really didn't see anything. We just had a good time, but we heard some stuff that we didn't capture on tape. There we go. One, two, and three, go.
Go stupid. Ah!
Really tried pranking my brother, but he didn't fall for it. I tried pranking my friend. He didn't fall for it because it searched up the website. But we're still waiting for my sister's response. And we're gonna see what's her reaction to this. She takes a lot of things serious. So if she gets mad, she gets mad. Anyway, switching cameras. So my brother didn't fall for it at all. My sister, we're just waiting on her response, like I said. So you 100%, you didn't believe me at all?
I didn't, but like at the beginning I was like, why are you crying? Like that's it.
But like, what went through your mind? Do you think I was actually... do I look like I would sell drugs on the low or what?
Nah, you look like a good kid, bro.
See, I told you he didn't believe me for nothing. I tried pranking my friend. His name is Christian, and he didn't fall for it either because he immediately searched up the web. Anyways, but we'll see my sister's reaction. So my sister just arrived, and I want to go ask her what she thought about what I sent her. If she believed it or not. Let's see. So, did you believe what I sent? Be honest.
I'm gonna be 100% honest.
Uh-huh.
In the beginning, when you sent the video and you were like, what did you say? You like, guys, I got caught.
Uh-huh.
Like somebody freaking exposed me right there.
Uh-huh.
And you were like, oh, that, what did you say? And that part I believed you.
Really?
But one, like, yeah, I started getting scared. I was about to start panicking.
Uh-huh.
But then you were like, I'm a drug lord. And that part I was
Yeah, but as you guys can see, she didn't believe it. Do you think I should show my mom? Why not? You think she's gonna get a heart attack?
She's gonna be like, why are you doing this? No, estoy soportándote eso.
And she'll be like, it's not even a joke. I feel like...
Boy, if you don't get...
Oh, shit, record secret thing.
Over there.
Del yo.
¿Qué?
Miren, vean porque no les quiero esconder nada.
El bull, también conocido como narcotraficante de la bahía. Este realmente ha sido capturado. Su nombre es Daniel Mena. Mide 5'11" y pesa entre 197 y 80 libras. El departamento de policía de Hayward está dando una, ¿qué dice? Recompensa es quien no le entregue. ¿Quieres que te entregue yo?
Mamá, no.
Esta es pura mentira.
No, no es mentira, mamá, me andan buscando, ¿no?
No, léemelo, pues que no entiendo yo.
Theboydanny ha estado vendiendo sustancias ilegales en su área como cocaína y metanfetamina.
¿Te quieres enlazar con eso?
No, es real.
¿Ante los ojos de Dios?
No, no puedes mencionar el nombre de Dios.
No, pues tienes que decir porque ahorita mismo voy a la policía y les hago un bochinche.
No, pero ¿cómo? Look, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty legit. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys can comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video, probably next week or this week. Just turn on the notifications as well, and then you'll know when I post. See you guys on the next vlog.